Are you a family caregiver trying to figure out which incontinent product is the right one to use? Well, tune in today because I'm Nurse Karen and I've been caring for seniors for 30 years now and 10 years owning my own care home, taking care of hundreds of seniors and their incontinent problems. So let's jump right in there and see the three options out there. The first option is a pad. Then we've got a disposable underwear. These are pull-ups. And then we've got the old-fashioned diaper style with tabs that go on. So which one is the best one? And the answer is, it depends. Don't you hate it when that's the answer? But it really is today, because it depends on how much incontinence your loved one has and how capable are they of doing things on their own. So as a person gets more and more incontinent, then generally speaking, you need to go up in product. So if they just have some incontinence, maybe some dribbles, but not full release of the whole bladder, then this pad is a great idea in a pair of tight-fitting underwear. You know, you can just wear regular underwear with these pads, and they're easy to change. You just pull it in and out of the underwear. They have a little adhesive on the back, and simple, quick, easy change. But what if you're a little bit more than just a dribble? Then that's when a pull-up comes in. But this is, I think, a great product for someone who's incontinent, you know, maybe once or twice a day, but not every time. Or they just have a little light dribble here and there. And sometimes they have more, too much for this, but still mostly continent. Then the pull-up is a great product. The problem with the pull-up is that every time you have to change it, you got to take off your pants and your shoes. So that can be a little hard to do, especially out there in the public. I don't think I'd be wanting to do that every time I needed to change my brief. And so that's, if you're incontinent every time, then that's when I move up to a brief that is more of a regular diaper style that has tabs so that you can change this with your pants still down around your ankles and not having to take everything off. So this simply goes on and off easily without having to disrobe. The other good thing about this product, why I like it for someone who has full incontinence, is the fact that it has, of all of these products, the best gussets on the side. So if you've got fecal incontinence, this is going to catch that bowel movement better. And then if you've got a lot of, or if you've just got a lot of incontinence, this really keeps it contained in the brief much better than the other. So if you've got leakage going on, then that may be a sign that you're just in the wrong level. You know, this doesn't have the sides to the gussets to keep things contained. It's got a little teeny bit, but that's really not going to be enough, especially for bowel movements. This is not going to be a good choice. This has some gussets. This one's a night version of this, so it's got pretty good gussets. If you're trying to use this for heavier incontinence or for bowel, then I would check out the gusset sides to make sure that you're choosing the right product, because there's a lot of different products, a lot of different brands out there that you can try. And the ones that you can buy in the store tend to not be my favorite. Actually, the better ones are the ones that you buy online. So I hope that helps you understand. And if you would like to have a copy of my free diaper guide, it goes over who each of the products are most appropriate for and some easy troubleshooting for those leaks. Then type diapers down below in the comments and I'll send that to you for free. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in my next videos to help you be the best caregiver out there.